of 1960s and 1970s automobiles remains strong, captivating the interest of enthusiasts even today. Demonstrating this enduring appeal is the Traxxas 1967 Chevy C10, a remarkable toy creation. Precisely scaled at 1/10 of the original, this replica emulates the iconic 1967 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Crafted by the esteemed American company Traxxas, the toy features a meticulously crafted Magnum 272R Series Pro gearbox that closely resembles its real counterpart. This gearbox was intentionally selected due to its design, optimized for delivering substantial torque and impressive power.